Coming back here, I'll just open the application now and our application run window. So now, say I will be having only 1200 minutes operational in a day, because rest are my breaks, lunchtime, tea time, meetings. So I just put it that 1200 minutes is my maximum run time. I'm not going to put any other constraints. Selecting the file, okay. Then we have our production schedule. Remember, the next data set is going to override this sheet, okay. So you need to rename that and keep with you, because you're going to get another optimized production schedule which will be overriding that. So if you see here, now the run was for only to 1138 minutes, 75 minutes here, 1213 minutes have been produced in here if you see, okay. This is what. So if you run this production schedule in such a way, considering your production time and the changeover times, you should run these SKUs in order to get the most optimized throughput, maximum throughput possible in the prescribed duration of time. Then we have maximum changeover time. You can put in that in a day. I need to have only 60 minutes of changeover, 80 minutes of changeover, whatever you want. Then we have another option where you can put in the minimum number of unique SKUs you need to have. Like for example, we are having here almost 19 SKUs. And if you say that no, in a day I need to have 5 SKUs or 10 SKUs anyhow, then you can put in that there and you will be getting the data out. And then we will talk about the maximum order size per SKU. Again, this is a batch size. So if you see the optimized production schedule is generated, you see the order quantity was 181, 223, 152 like this. But if you don't want that and you want to cut short the batch size for each of the SKU you are going to produce, not more than 30 pieces, not more than 100 pieces or something like that, then you can clearly put that here. So say I am putting that 50 is going to be my maximum batch size for the SKUs, okay. So I just select the file here, double click, and the moment double click I am going to have this out here. See the order quantity for the SKUs is now 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, and last we are going to have 3, okay. The production times are listed down here. You're going to have a change. So if you see, almost 988 minutes went in production and 225 minutes went in changeover, and that is not a good sign because it's an NPA in our system. 130 minutes is what we ran. So when we just open that Excel, right? When we just double clicking and open that, you're going to get that production schedule this way, right? That this SKUs you need to run with these are the order quantity, these are the cycle times, and these are the changeover times. So if you run this way, you're going to get the maximum throughput possible from the system, right? This how it works. So guys, let me know in the comment section, how is this application or how was this video for you? Was it helpful? If yes, hit a like button, do share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to Leansimcorp channel for such engineering, industrial automation, digital twin related, concepts, videos, and educational, adda. Okay, so do not forget to visit our website leansimcorp.com for exciting educational stuffs. So now what I'm going to plan. So in the next video, we are going to have this fascinating another application. Okay, and what is that going to do? Okay, so currently if you see, we are going to get a production schedule only for a day. But what if I produced that and I want it for the next day, right? Now, so what I'm going to do is, say this is all what I need to produce. So if I sum this, it's 6,738 parts is what I need to produce. Okay, so the application, if we are going to run that, is going to give us day-wise production schedule till I complete 6,283 parts, whatever that was, right? So it will be giving me the most optimized production schedule for day 1, most optimized production schedule for day 2, and so on till I am going to produce all my orders. And I hope that is going to be very interesting. So stay tuned with us for the next video which is going to come on the way. Okay, so let us meet in another grand interesting video of that, and till that time we're going to keep watching our educational videos on Leansimcorp channel and keep visiting our website leansimcorp.com. So that's all for today, guys. Let us meet in another grand interesting video. Till that time, stay Stay safe, keep simulating. Bye bye.